My wife and I had many different ideas about what we would do in our yard to get the right amount of plants and balance on plants and hardscape. We tried entertaining in our backyard with a solo stove on a slope and realized that was uncomfortable for everybody and not attractive. After many attempts where I would try to sketch out what we wanted, and then we'd come out and walk that off and realize it wouldn't fit, wouldn't work, there's always some problem. So we were at the home show and saw the presentation that Brownswood had on how they could design a plan and give us a full video as well as a large size print to show how everything would lay out, including the things you don't normally see, the drainage, the lights, and all those things. Went to the first design review and they nailed it just from the 2 home visits and the amount of photos and the detailed questions that they asked. We finished the design and then jumped right in with plant selection and final design review, and we moved forward. The team arrived and knocked it out. One of the best things with Brownswood is the communication. A project manager was assigned, introduced himself, gave his contact information, and held to the schedule. Everything was always moving, and each day they cleaned up and left with no issues with our neighbors or our homeowners association. We were able to present that pretty thorough design review, so it went right through. They did come by and check about every other day, and the work matched the schedule and the plan, and all went well. Hands down, a great experience. If we have ever a need for more work, we would definitely reach out to Brownswood and make sure that they're on our side. We've already recommended them to all of our friends and neighbors.